Hello, greetings. I am Diego Valdez, and our group decided to use Google Firebase for our project. So the purpose of Firebase is that it's a backend as a service platform. Firebase simplifies the development of real-time, scalable applications by removing the need for developers to manage backend infrastructures like servers, databases, and authentication systems. This allows them to focus on building future-rich, user-facing applications more efficiently. Its primary audience includes mobile and web developers, startups, and teams building real time applications such as chat apps, collaborative tools, and live dashboards. Other services that Firebase provides are authentication, Cloud Firestore and real time database, Cloud Functions, cloud storage and hosting, and Firebase Cloud Messaging. But in our case, we'll be using real time database. So to connect to the real-time database, you can use your programming language of choice, such as JavaScript, Python, Java, Go, and C++. But in our example, we'll be using JavaScript. To simply install it, you can just run npm install Firebase through terminal. And this is just some Firebase config code to initialize the Firebase database. And this is more code to be able to read and write to the database.
Hey everyone, I'm Miguel Santiago, and these are some of the limitations that come with Google Firebase. So it uses NoSQL, and that comes with data denormalization being required, which increases redundancy. Then there's data duplication leading to higher risk in inconsistency. And then there's also manual relationship handling. Additionally, there's constrained query capabilities. This limits developers from performing operations like joins, complex aggregations, or advanced filtering. And it also reduces efficiency and flexibility in data retrieval. Lastly, there's the vendor lock-in, which comes with heavy reliance on Google's cloud ecosystem, makes it hard to migrate to other platforms, and it is tactically thought of by Google. Firebase versus relational database management systems. Data structure. Firebase uses a schemaless no SQL model, while RDBMS uses structured schemas with tables and defined relationships. Query capabilities. RDBMS supports complex SQL queries with joins, filters, and aggregations. Firebase offers simpler index-based queries with no support for joins. Scalability versus complexity. Firebase is easier to scale and manage in real-time apps, while RDBMS requires more setup but offers deeper control over data relationships.
Hello everyone, I'm Daniela Garcia. Today I'm going to talk about Firebase and how I used to build a real-time chat app called FireChat. I'm going to walk you through the demo and show you how everything works. So for this project, I use Firebase mainly for authentication and Cloud Firestore. So the app let the users to like sign up, log in, send message to each other all in real time. So for the setup, I create a project. Here, our project name is FireChat Server. And here, we need to link our iOS project with the Firebase database. For that, what I did is here, you have to copy the Apple bundle ID, which is the one that is right here. You just copy and paste, and then the database is linked with the Xcode. Uh, Here, probably, as you already know, we can do like different things in Firebase. We're gonna use authentication here for the users to log in and sign up. Here we already have some users, and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the database. This is our database right now. Here's the query builder. We're using ID text times temp and the usernames. Here's the rules that we put for the database, which is basically anyone can read and write on it. That's it. Now I'm gonna show you a little bit of the demo. Um, Here I already have a conversation. Um, database, and then I have to sign out. So here, as you can see, cool. Yeah, and really quick, here you're gonna be able to see cool here by Avi, and somewhere here needs to be the database.
In conclusion, Firebase simplifies backend development for real-time web and mobile apps. It offers integrated tools like authentication, data storage, and messaging. It uses NoSQL databases for flexible, fast data syncing, and it is not ideal for complex queries or apps running strong data relationships. Thank you.